Simon.
Oh, I'm going to serve you with fried rice.
The Simon is there.
Let's try it in the oven to get it up a bit.
Simon, bring the Simon.
Should I wrap it in foil? Wrap it in foil.
Don't worry.
Very good.
Basta. Acho que até a coisa.